Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Yescoin latest update, how to create your referral link to earn 10% commission on any referral purchase. This is the latest update. It's very simple. To create a referral link to share 5 million Yescoin points. Now let's read the update. They say ready to make magic happen. And if you're here to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe, like and share, and also join my WhatsApp group for more updates. And if you have not started mining the Yescoin Airdrop, link in the description of this video, use that link and join. Watch this video from beginning to the end so that you know how you can create your referral link and be able to win the 5 million yes points. Now they say only 6 days left until our community round. Visit Yescoin Foundation to generate your personal referral link. Share it with your friend, family and community to join the future of digital finance. Now here is the exclusive bonus. They say everyone who buys Yes token at launch gets a 10% bonus in tokens. You earn a 10% commission in stablecoin. For example, a $1,000 investment nets you $100 in commission, fully withdrawable in USDT. Can you see that? This year's coin, this is the real Yescoin. Every other project is just a baby project. This is the real project. New Yescoin tax alert. Create your referral link now to unlock a share of 5 million in rewards. Over 15,000 people has already secured their link in less than 2 hours. The hype is real. Now let's click on the real Yescoin Foundation so that we can create the referral link. Now click on this Yescoin Foundation. Open the foundation link, click on open. So right here is the referral, the Yescoin Foundation. They say earn 10 commission on referral purchase. For buyers, receive a 10% bonus on token purchase. So what we are going to do right now is to click on this create your referral link. Tap on it. So here is, you need to select your network. Right now, Yescoin Foundation, Yescoin Airdrop is based on the open network, that's Ton network. So we are going to choose this Ton network. You are going to connect your wallet, whichever wallet. You can use Tonkeeper or Connect Wallet in Telegram. Okay. I'm using Connect Wallet in Telegram because my Tonkeeper wallet is being connected there. Now let me give it time to load. Click on connect, put in your passcode. Yescoin now connected to TonSpace. Okay. Now let's go back to Yescoin Foundation. Click on open. Your rewards await. You haven't referred anyone yet. Invite your friend to join and earn exclusive rewards. Your earning $0. So I'm going to click on this invite to earn so that I can copy the referral link. I will drop the referral link also in the description of this video so that you can join. I want to win that be among people that will share the 5 million yes point. Now click on invite to earn. So this is my Yescoin referral foundation link. I'll click now on copy. Copied. So as simple as that, I've gotten this without stress. Now let's go back to the task to claim the yes point reward. To claim the yes point reward now, click on earn now so that we can get the yes point reward. Click on yes. So we are going to click on this is the task that will give us the 10% commission on referral purchase. But we need to complete this task to win 5 million yes points. So click on these steps The first task is to create your referral link, which we have just created. Now click on start. Now click on verify. We have already done that. Your create your referral link is now successful. Validate your referral to get that 5 million. Click on start. Now read all these things. Create your referral link on Yescoin Foundation page and paste it in the field below to receive your reward. The Yescoin Foundation link that we just created, paste the link here to validate it. Now click on validate task. So can you see that we have validated the referral link and we have gotten the 5 million Yescoin rewards? As simple as that. I'll drop the referral link in the description of this video. Use that link and join. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.